Hey, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to use Canva to make a multiple stroke outline effect. Alright, so in your Canva, we can just go ahead and create a design, and it doesn't really matter. I'm just using a 4500 by 4500 just for an example. And your document will come up here, and we're just basically going to go into our text tool, type tool, whatever you want to call it. We're going to add a heading, and we'll just spread it out. And we'll just put TXT outline like so. And then we want to change our font. So let's see. Did I do my retro groovy stamp? Retro groovy regular. We'll just use this one. Alright, so we have our text. We can bring it, size it up how you need it to be. Okay, so first thing we need to do is set our initial stroke, so the big one. So we'll go to our effects and then click on this little thing that says outline. Alright, so we're going to grab our thickness as thick as it can go. Alright, so it's going to be 200. Alright, and we can play around with the colors if you want. Let's just say we're doing this orange. Alright, so that is going to be your first outline. And let's go ahead and duplicate this. Now when you duplicate it, it does move it down a little bit, but let's just make sure that we're lined up. So you just move it around till that little dotted dash line shows up, and this one will be perfectly aligned with the bottom one. So then we go back into our effects. Let's change our color. Maybe we'll go into this blue here, and then we'll just bring down our thickness. And you can do this however you want. For this step, but let's say 170, so we're going to go down about 30. Alright, then we'll do the repeat the process, duplicate, move it, go to effects, change the color. Let's maybe do a wacky thing like this, and then let's drag it to about here. 95, that's good. And then we'll just add one more, and you can add as many as you want. But this one we're just going to do these 4. Let's change this, the last one, to a white, and then we'll just grab it down to about like so. So now we have that, and now you have your 4 strokes. So you have a white, that pinkish color, magenta, whatever you want to call it, a blue, and an orange. Okay. Now if you wanted to adjust thicknesses of these, you would just go into position, pick whatever layer that you want. So say we want to make the orange one, we can't make bigger because it's already as big as it can be. Alright, but maybe this blue one, we want to go on the blue one and make it a little bit thinner. So we can drag it down like this, and then we go back into position. Let's go on to whatever color that is, pink, magenta, I don't know. And we can just kind of play around with it like so. Alright, so if you want to maybe warp this into like an arch or something like that, we can go grab them all and put them in a group, and then go to effects, and then you can go into your little curve thing and maybe go like so, and we'll put it up here. Okay, so that is it. That's how to do it. And then if you want to save it, you know, go to your share, download, PNG, transparent background if you want, whatever. But that is how you do it. So quick and easy, stroking out some text and making multiple colors. You can use that with any font. This font here was Retro Groovy, and I got this, I'm pretty sure I got this from Creative Fabrica. I'll put a link for this text, this font, in the description. And what you would do is just download it, and then if you go into your fonts here, you can come down here and just hit upload a font, and it'll bring this up, and then you can go wherever you had it saved and just hit open, and it'll install it. Okay, but that's it. So hope you like it. Hit like and subscribe, of course, and we'll see you on the next one.